Before the kingdoms drew their lines, before the scribes wrote signs, there was an axis set in motion, a pivot in design. History does not move in straight lines. It bends, it leans, it turns on unseen pens. 13 is not an event, it is a hinge. When 12 completes the frame, something presses just beyond. When order feels secure, the pivot moves along. You feel it before you name it, you resist it before you blame it.
The hinge.
13 is the hinge of time, between the line and the reader's eye, between the structure and the sign. 13 is the hinge of time, where the rhythm breaks its rhyme, where the calendar realigns, not superstition, rotation. The cycle spun in 13, covenant sealed in 13, sacrifice weighed in 13, stone laid in 13, voice cried in 13, decree struck in 13, reversal turned in 13, memory crowned in 13, not random points but stress points. The universe expands on tension.
Cosmos.
Stars orbit by gravity, empires orbit by authority, hearts orbit by belief. When the orbit wobbles, the hinge speaks.
The hinge.
13 is the hinge of time, not curse, not crime, but pressure in the spine. 13 is the hinge of time, where mercy intersects design, where systems cross the line, the door swings and history steps through. You looked for me in superstition, I live in structure. You looked for me in luck, I live in thresholds. Every system has a tolerance, every empire has a pivot, every covenant has a proving, every calendar has a moment. That moment is here. Structure bending, where is the decree forming? Where is the voice calling? The hinge does not choose sides, it reveals alignment. Final cosmic seal.
13 is the hinge of time,
between decline and redesign, between collapse and the divine. I am the turning when an age shifts gear. The 13th not omen. That fear when you see the number rise again. Do not tremble. Do not tremble. The hinge. The hinge. The hinge of the hinge, the 13th. The hinge, the